Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in again. Today we've got a blue 2014 International Prostar single bunk sleeper, manual 10-speed. Please remember to subscribe to our page for all notifications, like and share. We'll go ahead and do a quick walk around. Got aluminum drives and steers, EPU, each truck comes with a fresh DOT inspection, has been checked out thoroughly. It is road ready for you. Please remember to visit our website at exceleratetrucks.com for our full inventory. We manage that site daily. Go on inside, take a look. $532,104 miles. Eaton Fuller manual 10-speed transmission, single bunk sleeper. EPU controls in the bunk. Roll the hood, take a look. The other side. Again, that is a 2014 International Prostar single bunk sleeper. Check us out online, exceleratetrucks.com. That site's managed daily with our inventory. This is a lease purchase, $1 balloon at the very end. Check the item description for full pricing. And we hope to help you get into your own truck here very soon. Thanks for watching, guys.